Your brain is not your friend. It never was. It's the warden of your smallest self, the part of you that wants to stay quiet, weak, and invisible. It doesn't want you to win. It wants you to survive. And survival to your brain means small, silent, safe, never dangerous enough to grow. Stop lying to yourself. Comfort is not a reward. It's a cage that slowly closes around your throat. Every time you try to grow, your mind fights you, not because it's evil, because it's terrified of the person you might become, someone it cannot control. You'll start tomorrow. One more scroll won't hurt. Rest today. These are not gentle suggestions. They are poison pills your brain feeds you to keep you small. That voice in your head, it's not wisdom. It's fear wearing a three-piece suit called logic. And it has been robbing you of your future for years. The easy way doesn't build warriors. It builds watchers. People who dream and never bleed. People who cheer for others while their own potential rots. Look at your reflection. How many times have you made the same excuse again and again and again? That repetition is not harmless. It's a tomb being built brick by brick. You are not lazy. You are trained to avoid pain at any cost. And that training is killing you, slowly, comfortably, while you smile and scroll. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the price, the only currency transformation accepts. You cannot build a strong body or a powerful mind without paying in sweat, failure, and discomfort. You want success? Pay every rep, every cold morning, every conversation you're afraid to have, every no you receive. The crown is heavy because it's made of everything you survived. Here is the kill switch. The moment you decide that pain is a signal to move forward, not a warning to stop, that decision changes everything. Your brain whispers, "I don't feel like it." You respond, "Good, that means I must." You stop negotiating with weakness. You start commanding it. Pain becomes the trigger, not the warning. You stop running from discomfort. You start hunting it, because every hard thing you do is another chain falling off your spine. You have 3 seconds. That's all your brain needs to talk you out of anything great. 3 seconds before the excuses flood in. 3 seconds before you shrink again. Count backwards from 3, 2, 1, and then you move your body before your mind can build a prison around the idea. No thinking, no feeling, just action. No thoughts, just movement. Because thinking is where they trap you. Your doubts, your fears, your past failures. Action is the axe that breaks the cage. Hesitation is the enemy of transformation, not failure. Failure is tuition. You pay it and learn. Hesitation is death. It leaves you exactly where you are forever. You don't need motivation. Motivation is a drug that wears off. You need a daily discomfort ritual. It's something that hurts a little every single day until your brain learns to shut up. Or cold shower. One hard conversation. Wake before the sun. 30 minutes of deep work while the world sleeps. These are not chores. They are weapons, small acts of war. Each one a punch to your weakness. Each one trains your brain to submit. You are not fighting the world. You are fighting the traitor inside your own skull. Most people will wait until they feel disciplined. They will wait forever. Warriors don't wait to feel anything. They decide who they are. Then they act like it's already true. I say this out loud right now. I am not lazy. I was just trained to avoid pain. But that training ends today. Now go do something hard before your brain talks you out of it. You are not rewiring your day. You are rewiring your identity. No, the goal is not to complete a task. The goal is to become the thing that cannot be stopped by fear, by doubt, by exhaustion. That version of you that made excuses, the one that scrolled instead of soared, the one that promised tomorrow for years, it dies today, right now. No funeral. From now on, you do the hard things, not because you feel ready, not because it's comfortable, because you decided. And a decision that costs you nothing is not a decision at all. You have obeyed your brain long enough. The warden is fired. The prisoner is dead. You are not a person trying to be disciplined anymore. You are the machine that thrives under pressure. If this woke something up inside you, do not close this video and go back to sleep. Subscribe. Not for me, for the person you are finally becoming.